Hi, welcome to our live stream. This is what with OpenNext Group. I'm your host today. Okay, OpenNext is a group company with many branches over China, and I'm based in Shanghai. Our Shanghai branch mainly focused on the development and the manufacture of intelligent equipment, especially intelligent, especially the uh, inspection machines, automated inspection machines for fasteners and other small parts. Okay. Today's topic of our live stream is um, quickly remove the defect fasteners by automated sorter. Okay. So you can see there may be fasteners in the fasteners. There may be some defect ones, and our goal is to remove them quickly because the manufacturers produce maybe millions of such parts in a day. So the speed to remove it is very quick, and our machines can do that task. Okay, and we can discuss first from the importance of the fasteners, why the qualities of fasteners is so important. The bolts, nuts, screws, because these parts are widely used in nearly all industries, in every machine, in the automobiles, airplanes, ships, machine tools, and there is some components. Okay, so if the any defects, if any flaws for these fasteners, it will cause big trouble. Okay, that is the first stage of today's live stream. Small flaw, big trouble. Okay, small flaw, forward, go right, cause big trouble. Okay, let's live stream. Open it. Okay, the topic of today's live stream is quickly remove defective parts by automated fasteners. And the first stage will discuss small flaw, big trouble. Why small flaw cause big trouble? Here I would like to give a case. It's a true story. The famous British Airways BA5390. You can Google it, you can find it on the internet. It happened in year 1919 on June 30th. While they after departure from the airport, the plane is high above Earth, about 10,000 meters high above Earth. Suddenly, the window screen blown off and the pilot coming out. The window screen. Fortunately, one engineer stand at the side of the pilot, gripped him, and avoided him being sucked by the powerful engine. And they so and the second manager, the second pilot managed to make an emergency landing. So the air crash was avoided and no life lost. But still, it's a serious accident. The pilot was sent to the hospital and stayed there for a few days. So it's a serious accident. It's a near miss, so narrow escape. So you may wonder what is the reason of this accident. What is the root cause? The answer is this. The bolt is the root cause. That is the reason. Okay, let me see if anybody has any questions. Okay, uh, that is the root cause is the bolt. You may wonder why this happened, why the bolt caused such a near miss, such an accident. Actually, so after investigation, after investigation, they found that there are 84 out of the 90 bolts to fasten the window screen, to screw the window screen on underside. In other words, these 84 bolts are shorter than the correct one. How shorter are these parts? They are 2.5 millimeters. It's very tiny difference, right? I guess you cannot distinguish them by the naked eyes. It's very small difference, but it's a tiny flaw, but it causes big trouble. So that's why we would emphasize the importance of the fasteners quality, because the big small flaw, tiny flaw, or imperfection may cause big trouble. Okay, that is the BFF now. Now we'll come to the we may discuss why, how to guarantee the quality of a fastener of a bolt. First, the dimensions of a fastener should be within the tolerance. That is, dimensions dimensions here I will draw draft drawing of a bolt of a French bolt. That's this one. Okay, this is the bolt. Uh, okay, this is the bolt. And what are the dimensions to be measured? First, the diameter of the minor diameter. Here is the crest. The minor final diameter that is here, the pitch diameter of the thread and the major diameter of the thread is the major diameter, minor diameter, and the pitch diameter of the thread. The pitch, that is the thread of the thread with to the adjacent thread neighbor. So that is the pitch, and the thread distance the length of the thread. So pitch, thread length, and the length to the length of the bolt, and the tail. The tail. And then when the thickness of the front, and the dimensions of the and the dimension of the head is so hexagon head, that is the object angle and the object edge. Okay, that is the dimensions and the other dimensions such as the uh, the angle, this is the X angle, the thread angle, and the thread angle and the caliper angle. Okay, this is the angle of the thread. So you can see for small parts for both days, there are so many dimensions should be measured. Okay, that is the dimensions of the bolts or typical fastener or bolts. Okay, and besides that, the dimensions, how to guarantee the dimensions are within the tolerance. In traditional methods, the manufacturers use automated or use measurement tools by the operators. Maybe remember the nipper, caliper, the near caliper, the micrometers, thread micrometers, and the uh, go and no go gauge. But the problem is that it's very time consuming. No manufacturers can check every piece of these dimensions one by one. So the manufacturers, customer manufacturers usually adopt a sampling plan simply by maybe 1% or 2% of the production run, and there is a risk that the defective parts may slip through and to be delivered to the end user. So that is the drawback of the dimensions checked by the manual method. As the dimensions, another categories of parameters should also be checked. That is the visual defects. Visual defects are not allowed. What are the visual defects? First, the thread problem. The problem of thread. The gauge of the thread. The thread problem. The damage of the thread. The discontinuity of the thread. The gauge and the so the gauge of the thread. That is the problem of the thread. Of the thread. Other problem is the thread. The first problem such as the crash, the dent, the burn, and the plating problem, plating or coating problem. There may be some the fasteners to make the fasteners more endurable. They also usually have some plating or coating on the surface. They such as the zinc plating, nickel plating, and the coating such as dichromate and some oxide coating. This one is dichromate. It's a special coating has good performance for corrosion resistance. So plating, coating, and there may be some poor plating, and the plastic material exposed, and some coating problems such as the dichromate residue, the residue of the dichromate, and the surface problem, highlight, some letters on the surface, such as 10.9, 8.8. These letters indicate the grade of the bolt. So if the letters are not clearly indicating some or some wrong numbers, these are not qualified to be rejected. So the letters and the crack of the head, there may be very tiny cracks at the head, very tiny cracks. Even you cannot observe them with naked eye. Very tiny cracks of the head. Such are the defects. Such are the typical defects, real defects of both, and all of them are not allowed. So we should quickly remove them by our machines. That is the dimensions, real defects of our partner, of the partner, and that is why some the growth cause big trouble. Okay, so you can say for the real defects, the traditional method is check them by human eyes, but there's two drawbacks. First, should have very good eyesight. For example, I think I'm not qualified. The operator should have very good eyesight, and I'm sure I'm not I cannot take such a test because I'm short-sighted. I'm wearing a pair of glasses, so the operators should have good eyesight and maybe with the help of magnifying glasses. But still, they some very small, very tiny flaws, such as the very small crack at the head. It's very difficult to observe, and they go on the surface of the on the surface of the on the surface of the thread is very difficult to observe. So you can see it's some are very difficult to observe. Besides that, the operators may make mistakes, may make errors because they may be because they may be fatigued and they because the complicated structure of the parts, and the operators make judgment which is not always which is not consistent and not always reliable because they make judgment according to their impressions, but the impressions varies a lot. Different operators have different impression to the same part. Even even for center operators, he or she may have different impression to the same part at different times. So their judgment is not always reliable, and 100% quality inspection using manual methods is no guarantee of 100% is no guarantee of 100% good quality. So that is why more and more companies introduce or automated fastener sorters to inspect their fasteners, to inspect their fasteners, both nuts and so on. Okay, that is the more for big trouble. Now we come to the second stage of the last room. That is this is one set of one machine, one digital machine, one digital machine for fastener inspection. Okay, as the proverb says, seeing is believing. So please follow me. First, you can say the machine is protected by the cabinet while it's a chamber, and the main body of the machine are inside the chamber. First, there's a glass bell in the middle. This is middle high transmittance, high transparent glass. We call it glass bell or glass sheet. It will rotate, and the parts that on the glass bell will rotate together with the glass bell. And the big parts will be inspected by this camera which is done around the glass bell. So that is that's the main function of the machine. And I will introduce each module one by one. First, the feeding system. The system pair of conveyor belts will connect the variable feeder and the gas cell. Usually, we adopt the variable feeder for the feeding purpose, for the feeding function. Maybe the parts poured in the hopper of the variable feeder, and the feeder will vibrate it, will orientate the parts will be singulated, and finally they will adjust to the correct position one by one and convey them to the conveyor belt, or sometimes the linear feeder. No matter conveyor belt or linear feeder, the function is the same. They will serve as a bridge, connect the variable feeder and the gas valve. the glass cell. When the part comes to the glass cell, there's the first mechanism. There's a steel wheel. We call it steel wheel. We call it guiding wheel. The wheel placed at placed above placed above the surface of the glass cell, but they do not touch each other. There's a clearance of a few millimeters, very tiny clearance, and the steel wheel will rotate continuously, and this will push the part, and the part will be adjusted to the placing on the glass cell. After that, there is second mechanism. There is a sensor fixed cell block. The sensor will serve as a lookout, or you may call it the happiness. It will the happiness. It will tell you whether a part is coming. It tells system that a part is coming. Please get ready for inspection. After that, there will come to the third mechanism. This mechanism is a first workstation for inspection. The camera is placed at the bottom. This is a special camera. It's a it's a it's a telecentric camera, and it can get very precise image of the part. Without very clear images of the part distortion, without distortion. And the light sources, the green type light sources of white light is at the top, and the cameras can get the bottom view. The bottom view after that we come to the second station. The cameras and lenses is placed inside the chamber at one corner on the table. There's a distance from the high resolution camera to the part on the glass cell, so you can get the side view, and it can measure the total length of the part. After that, we come to the third workstation. This one is quite unique. Because it can get because there are four cameras and four lenses integrated together. We can get the images from four directions: north, south, east, west, four directions. So the path will be very cheap. The 360-degree contour will be observed. There's no dark corners, no hidden areas. Any imperfections will be found. Any tiny flaws will be detected. So after that, we come to the fourth workstation for inspection. This one, the camera is placed at the bottom, so it can get the bottom view. The light source, there are two light sources. The bright light source is red light placed above the part, and the green type light source, the light placed underneath the glass cell. Okay. After that, we come to the fifth workstation. This one, the camera is placed at the top, and there's the front light, green front light, the backlit light, so we can get clear images on the computer screen here. Okay, you can see there are 5 workstations and 8 cameras and lenses. Because one workstation has 4 cameras and lenses. So the part, the entire control of the part will be very interactive, and the dimensions will be all the critical dimensions will be measured. After that, this part will be separated, will be be classified according to their qualities. First, good ones. If the area imperfect, no imperfection found on the surface, and the dimensions are all within the tolerances, this part will be judged as good ones. And the pneumatic device here, the red tube has an orange tube. The tube will blow up the part. That is the okay, that is the okay one. Blow up the part. The orange tube connected the nozzle, and the nozzle will eject high pressure air to blow off the part to the OK outlet. After that, the second pneumatic device, the system pneumatic device, with the part, there is some imperfection found on the surface of the part, and all the dimensions are not within tolerance. This part will be judged as empty part, no good part. They will be blown off by the nozzle and the orange tube with the high pressure air. After that, we'll come to the third discharge port. You may wonder why we need a third outlet, third discharge port. The answer is that there may be some accident, some emergency happen, and the parts remain happen. So the emergency buttons are pushed suddenly. The power are shut down suddenly. The workable, the gas cell stops unexpectedly. So the parts remain on the surface of the gas cell is uncentered. Their qualities are doubtful. We are not sure whether they are good or bad. So this part will be judged as defective part. So and this part will be collected and to be inspected once again. That's why we need the test or third discharge port. Okay. Or third discharge port. Okay. So that is the reason why we need a third discharge port retest. Okay, so that is the basic structure of our machine. Of course, our machine is highly customized. We can make more modules. We can add more modules to the machine, or we can deduct some non-necessary modules to meet your special requirements. For example, we have the automated cleaning mechanism. So it of the aluminum wheel and a sponge is attached to the aluminum wheel, and the sponge touch the surface of the gas cell. So where the machine is running, the sponge will clean the gas cell automatically. Okay. And if they automatically. And for the feeding system, we can replace the bubble bomb filler by the centrifugal filler, which have lower noise. And of course, the drawback is the speed is also a little slower. Okay, centrifugal filler. And sometimes we can envelope the filler by our cabinet by the sound enclosure. The sound enclosure is a cabinet made of carbon steel sheet, and the entire internal surface are covered with the foam. So the the foam will observe the sound, will observe the noises. So the sound enclosure can reduce the noises of the filler. That's an option. An option. Besides uh, the covers and lenses can also be replaced. We can choose for parts. No need to adopt so many cameras. So maybe 2 or 3 cameras is enough. We can adopt it more just gas maybe 500 or 600 millimeters in diameter. And the lenses, we can choose the most suitable lenses from usually the lenses ranges from 1.3 megapixels to 25 megapixels. So we can get very clear images on the computer screen. For the outlets, OK parts, we can add the automated packing mechanism to the end of the outlets. The parts can be packed by the automated packing system, and maybe 100 or 200%, 200 pieces per box. Okay, and for the negative parts, defective parts, we can separate them furtherly. Uh, some customers do not want the defect parts to be mixed up. They want the visual defective parts and the dimensional defective parts be separated. No problem. We can separate them as your requirements. Okay, we can separate them into 2 groups or more groups. It depends on you. So that is the structure of our machine. Our machines is highly customized. We can make the tailor-made machine to meet our special requirements. Okay. Now welcome to the this here. Please allow me to make a summary on the whiteboard about the structure of our machine. First, the feeder system, feeding system, feeder. Feeder, the sound includer is the optional sound includer. And the feeding system, the inner feeder, or the conveyor belt. Conveyor belt, so the feeding system, and the main body of the machine has the camera, lenses, glass lenses, light sources, okay, and some other mechanisms on the surface, such as the cleaning mechanism, cleaning, such as the medium, the guiding sensor, and the guiding wheel, guiding wheel. Okay, the cameras usually range from 1.3 megapixels to 25 megapixels. Okay, the lenses, there are different kinds of lenses. F8 lenses is the most common type. So welcome to our live stream. Now I'm making the summary of our structure of our machine. The F8 lenses and the pericentric lenses and the endoscopic lenses. The pericentric lenses can get very precise images. There's no distortion, so it can get very precise dimensions of the parts. The endoscopic telescopic lenses has the advantages of getting the inside of the part. So the interior thread of knot can be treated in a picture, or the entire thread can be shown in one image. So that is lens. Let's do this. We can choose different shapes, long, thin, and black, different colors, maybe red, light, yellow, blue. Okay, that's all. For the cleaning mechanism, you use made of aluminum and aluminum wheel with a strong aluminum wheel and strong. The sensor will tell the system that part is coming, and it also can get the function of coming. The guiding wheel will adjust the position of the part. So the main body of the machine here has the function of counting. I have the function inspection and the four-dimensional measurement, and uh, there's a glass dial. The glass dial usually different size, 500, 600, or 800 millimeters in diameter. It depends on the inspection item. Sometimes it can be replaced by the steel or floating discs, which are made of steel. Notice there are very tiny flaws, tiny flaws around, around the circle of the disc, so the part can be fixed here. The part can be fixed here, and to be inspected later. Okay, the feeding system. It is a feeder to the main body, to the glass down, then the outlet, outlet, okay, glass, glass, okay. The okay, we can separate them automatically. We can pack them automatically, piping, automated piping system, the empty parts, we can separate them with different groups. Okay, the test will be checked once again. That is the outlet. So that is the structure of our machine. Feeding, the checking, the inspecting, and the outlet. Okay. Hi, welcome to our live stream. This is Howard. I'm your host today. And if you have any questions, please comment down here. And if you are satisfied with my introduction, could you please type a letter A at the comment section. Thank you. Okay, this is structure of our machine. So we are come to the third stage of today's live stream. That is the detector part. What part can be inspected as the application of our machine. So, sorry. Several parts. The parts can be break down. First, the bolt. The bolts like this. So socket bolts made of carbon steel and surface is zinc plated. Okay. This is also a bolt. It's used for the automobile wheel hub. There's some straight narrowed around the surface, around the cylindrical surface. And one set of one machine can inspect 6 different sizes of this bolt. There are letters stamped on the surface. We can grant letters. We have also a function. This is a French bolt. Surface is acrylic. French bolt. This one is quite unique. It's also a French bolt with octagon. Octagon bolt. Octagon. Octagon bolt. French. This one is unique, made of copper. Guy bolt. Now let's go for it. Now, nut. Second nut. Granite, nut, gold nut, dirty nut, country nut, green nut, jam nut, red nut, narrow nut. Okay, this one is hex nut. This is a French nut with ring, with O-ring, narrow O-ring inside the French nut, and our machine cannot only inspect the nut, but the French nut, but also the rubber O-ring, or the narrow rings inside. This is a rivet nut with half hex, rivet nut with half hex and a flange. It's made of carbon steel and surface is color than creatine. This is a narrowed nut. The cylindrical surface are narrowed. The material is brass. It's an alloy of copper and zinc. These nuts can be used inside inside the channels of electrical car cabinet. So that is nuts. Then screws are also can be special screws, such as this one. The piping screws. The piping screw with a flat head, and there are slotted Phillips drive. This one is also screws. We call it SEM screws or SEM screws. SEM, SEM screws. Because there are two washers, one spring washer, one plain washer will attach it to the machine screw. So we call it SEM screws. And we can not only inspect the machine screw, but also the washers will attach it to it. We can measure the dimensions of them and the appearance defects. Like this one and also screw is very long. Its length is 250 meters. This washer this is a very long timber screw, and we have developed one machine for our customers to inspect the timber screw with length from 100 meters to 250 meters. There are 7 different sizes in total. And this one is and the surface is custom-made, so we can check the residue of the coating, and you can check the straightness. It's very long, so straightness is very important. Number 2, balance rivet. Rivet is very important. The coating is aluminum. The mandrel is made of steel. We call it brand rivet or self-plug rivet, self-plug rivet, pop rivet, self-tapping rivet. This one is a tubular rivet. There's a hole in the middle. It's also made of aluminum. And another group is pins. Lower pins, end pins, quarter pins, rim pins, and locating pins. This one is a very small locating pin with a shoulder in the middle. This is a non-standard pin. It's a piston pin. There are one blunt hole and there's a through hole, very small through hole. This part, we can check the dimensions. We can check the hole, whether the hole are branded or not. Okay, pins. That's that. The washers. Also, inspect the arm. This is a plain washer or flat washer. Other washers like window washers, screen washers, electric screen washers, lock washers, uh, uh, internal two-stroke washer, external two-stroke washer, and the ceiling washer. This is a screen washer, electric screen washer. The plain washer, they we can check the inner, outer diameter and the thickness. We can also check the concentricity of the outer and the inner circle. And we can check the burrs, the surface over the burrs, because the washer, the front washer is stamped from sheet of steel. So there may be some burrs on the edge. So it's for some parts. One side, the edge is blunt. The other side is sharp. Okay. And in some circumstances, the edge is too sharp. There are some burns that are not qualified, and we can observe them. For screen washer, helix screen washer like this, middle steel surface is color than created, and the initial height is very important. The initial height of the initial height of the screen washer. So it depends. It will determine the initial height will determine the initial force of the washer, and if the force is not correct, it cannot work properly for the anti-loose function. That is the spring washer, spring washer. Okay, and washers, another group of parts is also similar like the spring washer. It's also some parts. We call it some parts. This is a shallow bowl-shaped cover. Some parts made of carbon steel and surface is zinc plating. We can check the diameter, inner diameter, outer diameter, the height, and the surface, the plating qualities. We can actually, the difficulty is that there are 19 different sizes of this type of shallow bowl shape cover used for automobiles, and we develop one machine to inspect all these 19 different sizes shallow bowl shape cover. There are only three sizes. And check we can inspect 19 different sizes. Okay, that is some parts, and some irregular some parts. This one can also be inspected by us. Irregular some parts. If you have similar parts, don't worry, please contact us. I'm sure we can provide you a solution. Other parts like bearing. This is a ball bearing. It's made of four parts: outer race, inner race, the retainer or the cage, and the board, rolling board. And so it's very complicated than much complicated than the much more complicated than the simple part like a nut or washer. And we can it's very difficult to check the quality by human eyes, and especially if the part is very small like this one, very tiny ball bearings, and we can inspect them. One station of a machine have with 9 workstations can inspect 20 different items of this ball bearing, the different such as the rust of the parts, rust, the dent, the scratch, the burns on the surface, and the deformation of the cage, the missing of the bolt, and the critical dimensions such as the outer diameter, inner diameter, the height, all can be inspected at 1 second over machine. That is for bearing. Other is probably a begin. This is a hose bulb fitting surface in color and creating. There's a hole in the middle, right? And there are several bulbs, and each bulb, the dimension of each bulb can be made by us simultaneously. One workstation inspect all of them, and there are 7 different sizes, and one is quite with different size of this bulb fitting, and one is quite unique. It's black oxide coating, so the color is quite different. And all of them can be inspected one set of our machine. So our machine have very good compatibility Come in. Begin. Okay, for all these parts, you will find they have one point in common, that is, they are all made of metal, brass, copper, carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum. Right? You may wonder whether our machines can inspect non-metal parts or not. The answer is yes. Of course, non-metal parts, like the plastic bush, plastic ring, rubber O-ring, and the wooden pin, and the ferrous core, and the magnet, all can be inspected by us. Plastic, plastic, rubber, wooden pin, and the ferrous. We can also inspect electronic components such as resistors, capacitors, inductors, the LED, the chips, ICs, and the transistors. Okay, that's our physical parts which can be inspected by us. And if your parts are not listed here, don't worry, you can contact us, and I'm sure we can provide you a satisfied solution. Okay, now we come to the fourth stage of today's lesson. And if you are satisfied with the introduction, with my introduction, do please have a letter A at the comment section. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can also ask at the comment section. Thank you. Welcome to the course. As we start the lecture, our customers are very interested in your machine and they ask many questions, and some questions are frequently asked. So I think it's better for me to answer all of them, to answer these frequent asked questions, FAQs here, and make answers to them. First, somebody asks, what is a guarantee? The guarantee of one machine. Here I can answer. It's 1 year. Our machines are made of components of famous brands. The PLC, cameras, lenses, the glass boxes, and the servo motors are all famous brands such as Siemens, Omron, Mitsubishi, Fasteners, Sims, and so on. So our quality is reliable. Our machine is guaranteed. Okay, that is guaranteed. The second frequent asked question is, what is the lead time? What is lead time of your machine? So we place an order. Lead time that is depends on the requirements of the customers. The more workstations, the more complicated the parts, the longer the lead time. The simpler the product, the simpler the structure of the part, the lower the lead time. For bigger size both not, I can say the lead time is about 30 working days. 30 working days. Of course, it only serves as a guideline. You can get in touch with me to get the precise lead time. There are some samples and get the precise lead time. Okay, and the lead time I will ask another question. The third question is, do you have any certification? So good question. We are we are certified high-tech enterprise. High-tech enterprise. We have we are located in the Jiaotong University High-Tech Park. We are certified high-tech enterprise, and our factory is about 30 to 25 minutes to the Hongqiao Airport by car. Okay, and we have the ISO, we are ISO 9000 certified, and we have our machines are CE certified. Our machines are CE certified, so it means our machines are conform with the very high standard of safety, health, and environmental protection. Our machine is high-end, high-end product. Okay, that is our certificate, and we have many patents, software patents and hardware patents. So we are high-tech enterprise. Okay. And another frequent asked questions somebody asked is, what is the benefit to purchase your machines, and what are the advantages of your machines? Here I can answer you in 5 words. That is accurate, efficient, consistent, compatible, and convenient. Advantages. First, accuracy. The accuracy our machine can achieve is 0.01 millimeters. Very small size, about equal to 10 microns or 1% of a millimeter. It is accurate, and based on the AOI technology, that is automated optical inspection technology, we can achieve non-contact, non-destructive inspection. So there's no risk that the parts, your product may be damaged during the inspection procedure, may be scratched or damaged during the inspection procedure. That is accurate. The second is efficient. I welcome our machines are used to inspect fasteners and other small parts. Here I will introduce the advantages and benefits of our machine. The second is efficient. Efficient means we can inspect the parts, we can sort the parts at very high speed. The maximum speed we can achieve is 1,000 pieces per minute or even higher. Of course, the speed largely depends on the size and the structure of the parts you intend to inspect. Usually, the smaller the parts, the higher the speed. The more complicated the structure, the lower the speed. But for middle-sized bolts or nuts, the speed we can achieve is usually about a few hundred pieces per minute. And one customer requires a speed of about 10,000 pieces per hour is no challenge for us. So that is the speed, and there's a case that one set of machines, one customer purchased one set of machines to inspect both the manufacturer, and the result is that received 5 to 6 operators per year. In other words, the labor cost, the wages of the 5 to 6 operators in 1 year is about two times of one set, two times the price of one set of our machine. That means they can recover the investment within half a year. The ROI is only 6 months. ROI is 6 months. So here you can see our machines can not only improve your quality, but also our machines can reduce your manufacturing cost at the same time. So that is efficient. The third is consistent. The machines we manufacture make judgment based on the user-defined accept and reject criteria. In other words, once the standard is defined, once the criteria is set, the machine will make the same judgment again and again. By comparison, the operators make judgment according to their impression, but their impressions varies a lot. Different operators have different impressions to the same part. Even for center operator, he or she may have different impressions to the same part at different times. So the judgment made by the operator is not always reliable. And our machines, the operators make the judgment made by the operators is subjective and inconsistent. So that's consistent. Besides that, we have AI deep learning algorithm, so we can train our system, and as a result, we can achieve zero misjudgment. So there's no risk that any defective parts may be judged as good ones and to be delivered to the end user. That is misjudgment, zero misjudgment, consistent. The fourth is control. Control. Our machines have very good compatibility. For example, the shallow bowl shape cover for automobiles is a stamped part. That's called cover, stamped from the from the steel sheet or steel coil. And this part, there are 19 different sizes, and all of them can be expressed by one set of one material, 19 in one. For this part, it's the brass nut. There are 7 different sizes, and all of them can be inspected by one set of our machine. This is another nut, another brass nut used for the battery system of renewable energy vehicle (EVs). Okay, that is compatible, and all machines can use under different uh, different power supply system from 110 volts to 220 volts of 50 or 60 hertz with no problem, and our machines can work properly, and the plugs can be changed to meet the electric standard in your country. So that is compatible. The fifth is convenient. Can see the user The human-machine interface is very user-friendly. It's very easy to operate. It can be very easily operated. It's convenient, and uh, and besides that, we have the sunflower glasses, so we can assist you from remote computer. We can get the data. We can sit and guide you how to operate the machine. Besides that, we have the AR glasses. AR glasses. That is augmented reality glasses with self-developed software. So once the operators put on the AR glasses, the remote expert can have the on can have the real-time scene on the on-site. So it can get the installation and the maintenance of our machine. So it's very user-friendly to operate our machine. That is convenient. Okay. So that accurate, accurate, efficient, consistent, compatible, and convenient. They, they, they see that is the advantages of our machine. So that is live stream. You can contact me by WeChat, by WhatsApp, by mobile phones, or even by email number, by emails, by Twitter, Facebook. I'm always here to support you. So that is this live stream. See you next time. Have a nice day. Bye.